When I tell y'all that I saw this definition, I was here for it. I was here for it. Y'all see that bounce back? Y'all see it? It can't just be me. Come on now. Come on now. Popping. Definitely popping. Definitely. I have no words to describe my shock when that happened to me. I was down for it. I was completely 100% down. Period. Point blank. Point blank. Period. Y'all see those curls though? Y'all see those curls though? Y'all see those curls? Tell me that they aren't popping. Tell me that they aren't popping. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but we are back. Today is wash day and it's my hair after wash day, and I just decided to do my hair in this wash and go using one product, and let's get into it. I hope you guys like this video and make sure to like, comment and subscribe. So we're gonna start off by unraveling a section of hair. Taking the spray bottle of water and drenching the hair. Not fully wet, but not, not too little water. If that makes any sense. Okay guys, so after that I sectioned my hair into two, as you can see here. I tucked away one using a scrunchie. Then I went in the section that I had out and I raked my fingers through it. A slight finger detangle. Then I went in with my DIY oil with all these oils right here, and I put some in my hair. Making sure to coat every single strand. Then I took my curl defining gel and cream. I put some in my palm, just a little amount. Then I went in and I raked it through my hair, making sure to get as much even product distribution as possible. Adding more product as I go along. Y'all start to see that definition though? Like, tell me it's not just me. Tell me. Again with more product. The curls really starting to be popping now though. Y'all see that first section? Wow. I was shook. I was shook. With just that little product and so much definition already. Wow. So that's what I continued with all of my hair. Went in with my cream again and just added a little more to that section for a little more definition. again a little more. I don't know what happened, but I just felt like I needed to add a lot more. I don't know, but it's up to you. If when you're trying this you see that your curls are popping in like a few things, go for it. Don't do like me and add more and more product each time. So I just continued doing my hair like how I showed you in the first section, and that's what you're gonna see in the following clips. Go with the oil, rake it through the hair, go in with the cream, the gelling cream, and then rake it through the hair. I added a tad bit more product the first time, and y'all see those curls though. Come on now. I was shook in this section. I don't know why, but like this section received the product way better than the other section. Tell me if I'm wrong. So I just continued as I said before. And for some reason I wanted to go back in the first section and add a little more product. Trust me, don't do what I did, because it was unnecessary in my opinion, but I still did it either way. But girl, my curls were still popping though. I took it a bit further and went in with my brush that you may have seen in my detangling video. I will link it in the cards up above and in the description box. So I just went in with that brush, and girl, y'all are gonna see some results now. Y'all are gonna see some results, because really and truly I was not expecting that definition. Y'all see those, right? Y'all see those. Come on now. Y'all see those? I was shook. I was shook. Compared to the section on my left versus the section on my right. Whoo, child. Those curls were popping. It's period. I was pleasantly surprised, as you can see with the expression on my face. I was pleasantly surprised, trust me, I was. Because I was not expecting this definition. Y'all see that definition though? Oh gosh, wow. I was shook. I was shook. This is the back view I'll be showing now. Honestly, I was not expecting this. I really was not expecting this. I really wasn't. Trust me. African Pride Moisture Miracle, you did it. You did it. With those curls popping, trust me, you did it. And guys, this video is not sponsored. This is all my own opinion. Just a disclaimer. So I continued with the rest of my hair, just like what I did for the back section. As with the first clip in my video, y'all see that bounce back though? Like, it's gonna be in slow motion because y'all, I was surprised. Y'all see that bounce back? Y'all see that bounce back? Tell me, y'all see that bounce back? And the definition? Ugh, sis, I was shook by my facial expression. I was shook. Trust me. Oh gosh, wow. I was shook. I was shook. At this point, I was sold. At this point, I was sold. I was sold on the product. Trust me. Wow. That's all I have to say. This product left me speechless because while I'm recording this video right now, it's been a week since I had the wash and go. And sis, my hair is still popping. And no flakes or anything. Yeah, I know the white thing is in my hair right now, but trust me, that dried out and there were no flakes at all whatsoever. So don't worry about the white things. They will dry and your hair will have no flakes. Trust me on that one. I'm sorry I don't have any pictures or videos to show you, but y'all see that definition though? Tell me y'all don't see that definition. Tell me. That definition popping, right? So I'll be back. And this is my hair all done. I was speechless. When I saw my hair, I was speechless. I was speechless, let me tell you. And to be honest, I was feeling myself at this point because this wash and go was popping. It was popping, okay? I was feeling myself. Me being all extra. But really and truly, I was feeling myself. I was feeling myself. And this is the side view I'm showing you right now. This is also the back view. And this is the other side view. Y'all see those curls? Like, wow. Although it was nice and you're not really seeing them properly, y'all still recognize that they're popping. Come on now. Come on now. I was still feeling myself because I was shook. I was pleasantly surprised. So yeah guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you liked it. Bye.